So CAR T cells and vaccines have strengths and weaknesses that actually really complement each other and I think create a very powerful at least suggestion of real synergy here. So CAR T cells are very effective in identifying disease targets and going after them and potentially reducing the disease burden, even in patients who have relatively advanced disease, and we've seen very exciting results in that respect. But the persistence of those cells and their ability to create durable responses may be somewhat limited, particularly in myeloma. On the other hand, vaccines are very effective in inducing immune responses in a patient that can be more durable, but they rely on having T cells that work. And so if you can combine these things together, you may create a more prolonged and durable response, and also one that has greater breadth so that it's able to capture different targets on the myeloma cells that prevent it from escaping. Well, I think it's important to say that many of our therapies work in ways that are diverse. And so many of the biologic therapies, drugs such as lenalidomide or pomalidomide or proteasome inhibitors, have a direct effect on myeloma cells and potentially induce cell death in that way. But they also can induce activation of the immune system. Certainly an example of that are the monoclonal antibodies. And so we think that there may be diverse mechanisms that actually sustain the response. There's a growing appreciation that understanding that is critical to building combination therapies. And so when we think of personalized cell therapies like vaccines or CAR T cells, and we think of some of the standard treatments, there's probably a real opportunity there to think about how they integrate so that we can create durable responses and prevent recurrence.